How to fix cellular data or mobile data not working on iPhone. Step 1. Check your airplane mode. Swipe down to access Control Center and make sure that your airplane mode is turned off. Step 2. Toggle mobile data. Go to your settings and then go to cellular and then toggle the cellular data switch off and back on. Step 3. In settings, go to your general and then about and see if there's a carrier update available and install it. Step 4. Go to your settings and then general and then transfer or reset iPhone and then reset network settings, and this clears old configurations that may block data. Step 5. If none of those steps works, call your mobile carrier to ensure that there are no outages or account issues. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.